everyone, this is Dr. Anam Zahir and I'm back with my fourth book review, which is about Clinical Comparative Materia Medica, Comparing Across the System of Medicine by Dr. Rohit Deshpande. In this video, I'll be telling you about the pros and cons, the scope and limitations of this book, why to get this book and why this book is must have in your library of homeopathy. And if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please hit the bell icon. Homeopathy Heals. So let's get started. As we all know that the writer of this book is Dr. Rohit Deshpande, who is a very known homeopath and known for his perfect diagnosis and correct medication. He's been practicing in Nasik, Maharashtra, and it took him 1 long year to write this book, and he has dedicated this book to his parents. Okay, I'll tell you first about the appearance of this book. As you can see, this book is a hardbound book and it has a rich chocolate brown in color. It has 380 pages. What I like most about this book is the quality of pages, which is glossy in nature, and it gives me immense pleasure to read such a book with such lovely pages after so many months. So there are total 333 remedies in this book. So as we all know that different system of medicine have different philosophies behind it, and knowledge about medicinal property we get either from the ancient books or through intuitions, treatment or doctrine of signature, or some of the medicines they have got their medicinal property by accidents as well. So in the past, when we move up to the history of medicine, the cause of disease was known earlier to be the wrath of God, because you have done the sin, so you are suffering from sickness. But the question is, why there is so much variation in the system of medicine? Because there is the concept of health, sickness and cure is different in all different system of medicine. In homeopathy, drug proving is the main source of information to know the curative action, the curative properties of medicine, along with the source books, toxicological action and the clinical experience of physician himself. Now I'll be telling you about the concept of this book. The concept of this book is very rare and very unique and different. It is very interesting to know about the same drug which can be used as medicine in different system of medicines. Each and every drug is very much unique, and this book has united this wisdom so that we can understand any drug more deeply and use them even effectively in our clinical practice. This book makes us understand the real curative pathological spectrum of medicines. There are total 333 remedies. I've already told you, but mostly they are of plant remedies or plant origin. Author has unified the knowledge of 8 major systems of medicines, which include traditional folk medicine, Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, Greek and Roman medicine, Islamic medicine, African traditional medicine, homeopathy, and at last allopathy as well. Now in the later section, there is a brief introduction or characteristics of different tradition is given. Example, doctrine of signature, it comes from traditional folk medicine. Most of us, we don't know about the doctrine of signature of Rustox, Calcarea, Silesia, and we consider them as homeopathic, but actually the doctrine of signature is a traditional folk medicine. For example, Pulmonaria officinalis, it depicts the efficacy in treatment of lung disorder. About Ayurveda, the philosophy, the doshas, the branches of medicine, therapies, even information about Panchkarma is given in the book. The elements in Chinese medicine, the humors of Hippocrates, which today is known as temperament by Galen, the perspective of African medicine, miasms in homeopathy, development of modern medicine is beautifully elaborated in the book. In the next section, it is given the clinical comparative materia medica, where the drugs are given and they are arranged in alphabetical order from Abroma augusta to zingiber, which is ginger. I'll give you an example that how remedies are given in this book. For example, we take example of acetic acid. Okay, we all are very much well versed with the acetic acid. The common name is given, the daily usages is given, in homeopathy, and the different sections of different system is given. First of all, homeopathy, that it is given in dropsy, diabetes mellitus, tuberculosis, fever. Then we come up to allopathy. It is effective in ear infection. In Ayurveda, it is known as Shukta, and it is used to treat anemia, water retention, amenorrhea, and indigestion. In Chinese medicine, it is known as Jinasuan Kebo, and it is very curative in jaundice, itching in genital. In traditional Greek and Roman, it used to treat hemorrhage, inflammation, cancer, gout, and even cough. In Islamic Unani medicine, it is known as khal, and it is very much helpful in recovery from scabies. In traditional folk medicine, acetic acid is used for the treatment of carcinoma of breast and carcinoma of colon. So coming up next is the scope of this book. The book has thrown light over very rare remedies like Acrancis aspersa, Echeria catecha, Castanea vesca, and so on. A proper bibliography and references have been given in this book, which make this literature more and more authentic. The details about the author and how to contact author via Gmail, YouTube channel, or Instagram link is given at the back of this book. Now comes the limitation. Okay, so we already have more than 5,000 remedies in homeopathic materia medica, and to study remedies more with the more multi-directional approach can be cumbersome for the students or the budding homeopath. There is no sure shot indication of materia medica given in this book. Mostly clinical diagnostic remedies and symptoms are given, and remedies are indicated like in the clinical condition like jaundice, tuberculosis, cancer. There is no idea about the dosage or potency given in across the book. If there is a question that if author has used all the remedies in the clinical practice, my question is whether the remedies are clinically verified or not. So at last I want to conclude that it's a must-have book, and it's the world's first book where all the system of medicine, they have been brought together, and it is very much essential, and it will prove very efficient for the final year students, those who are feeling or facing the difficulty in studying the history of medicine, and it may also enrich your clinical practice. So you can buy it from Amazon, and I'll be back with the next book review very soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, homeopathy heals.